3/12/2023. That's right, it's another open house report. Single family homes under $1 million. Stamford, Connecticut has 6 open houses today, hosted by various agents all over town. In the top spot at $945,000, a 4-bedroom, 3 and 2 partial bath home in the mid ridges. This one's sitting on an acre, over 3,000 square feet here, and you can walk to Trader Joe's. On the low end at $449,000, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home right in the middle of Newfield. Walk to shopping, walk to houses of worship. Hey, listen, this one might be a good investment property if you're looking for something to buy and rent out in the future. It's all about supply versus demand. As of this morning when I checked, there were 34 active listings under $1 million, and 6 of those were under agreement, telling me this is an awesome time to sell your house. Now, my new video series, it's hitting the airwaves this week. There'll be a new video every day, 12 steps to buy a home. If you're a renter and you just signed a lease, this is a great one for you. By the time your lease is up, you'll be ready to purchase. Have a great day, everybody. Let's get ready to buy some real estate.